Welcome to the world of trading in the USA. This isn't just for Wall Street pros, it's for anyone ready to learn and act fast. Trading is about buying and selling stocks or assets quickly, aiming for profit in days, weeks, or even minutes, not holding for decades. Unlike long-term investing, trading is about catching short-term price moves, like a fruit seller flipping mangoes for a quick gain. It's high energy, fast-paced, and requires sharp decision-making. There are risks, but with the right knowledge and strategy, you can spot opportunities and act smart. This guide is your first step to becoming a confident trader. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's break down the main trading styles so you can find your fit. Day trading. Buy and sell within the same day. Fast, intense, and not for the faint-hearted. Swing trading. Hold positions for a few days or weeks, aiming to catch market swings. Great for beginners who want time to think. Position trading. Hold for weeks or months, following bigger trends but still planning your exit. Scalping dozens of trades a day for tiny profits. Super advanced, not for newbies. For most beginners, swing trading offers a good balance of action and learning. Each style needs different skills and time commitments. Start with what matches your lifestyle and risk tolerance. Don't rush. Experiment and see what feels right. The right style makes trading fun and manageable. You can't trade without a brokerage account, it's your ticket to the market. Open one online with a reputable broker, it's easier than ever. You'll need your social security number or ITIN, Idaho, and proof of address for security and tax reasons. Top beginner-friendly brokers in the USA include Robinhood, simple, commission-free, Charles Schwab, and Fidelity, great support and resources. Interactive Brokers is popular with active traders but can be complex for newcomers. Compare features, fees, and support before choosing. Pick a broker that fits your needs and comfort level. Do your homework. This choice matters. Account open? Time to fund it. Link your bank account and transfer money. Start small and only use what you can afford to lose. Never risk rent or grocery money. Treat trading capital as expendable. Learn the basics. Every stock has a ticker symbol, like AAPL for Apple. And you'll use charts, especially candlestick charts, to track price moves. Understand order types. Market orders buy-sell at the best price now. Limit orders let you set your price. Use stop loss and take profit orders to protect yourself. These are your safety nets. Start with a modest amount, get comfortable with the platform, and make small trades to learn. Don't rush. Add more funds only as you gain experience. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Master the tools before you go big. Smart preparation sets you up for success. Before risking real money, practice with a demo account. Most brokers offer these for free. Use virtual cash to test strategies, place orders, and get comfortable with the platform. Make mistakes with fake money, not real dollars. Once confident, start with stocks of big, well-known companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Amazon. Avoid chasing risky hot tips. Stick to what you understand. Consider ETFs, like SPY, for instant diversification. They track many companies at once. ETFs help spread risk and are great for beginners. If you try crypto, start tiny. Volatility is extreme. Build your skills with simple, familiar assets first. Practice, learn, and then trade for real. The key to long-term trading? Risk management. Only risk 1–2% of your capital per trade. Protect your account from big losses. Always use stop-loss orders to limit downside. Don't get swept up by hype or FOMO. Do your own research and stick to your plan. Control your emotions. Trading is a business, not a casino. If you're feeling emotional, step away and reset. Keep learning. Read books, watch educational videos, and follow reliable financial news. Markets change, so adapt and grow with them. Start small, stay disciplined, and build your skills over time. With patience and smart strategies, you can succeed. Go get 'em.